Hi everyone, good morning students. Biocell tutorials present today subfamily Mimoaceae which is included in your syllabus. So let's start without wasting our time. So friends, first of all we will discuss about the classification of Mimoaceae family, Mimoaceae subfamily which is included in a family Leguminosae. So as we know that this is the flowering and seed bearing plant, so the division is Spermatophyta. Subdivision is a dicotyledons because the seed shows the dicotyledons structure. Class of this family is Polypetalae showing a free petals. Subclass Calciflorae. Order Rose cells, family Leguminosae and subfamily Mimoaceae. So here in today's lecture we will discuss about the subfamily Mimoaceae. Just a minute. Okay, now see here what is the habit of these family plants. So mostly these plants are trees or shrub, but rarely they are climber also. Most of them are xerophytic plants, means they grow in a less water condition or sandy soil, in a sandy soil also. The stem of the plant is mostly woody and it is very useful for different purposes. And the leaves are pinnately compound leaves, alternate and stipulate leaves also. The stipules of this Mimoaceae family plants modified into the thorns. Now inflorescence. Inflorescence is spike-like head or umbel shaped. It is rarely racemose or globose umbel. Flowers. Flowers is the most essential part of every plant. So let's discuss about the flowers. The flower is bisexual. It is actinomorphic, hypogynous to slightly perigynous and bractate. Calyx. Calyx are nothing but the sepals. They are 5. Fused, tooth or lobed. Corolla. Corolla are 5. The petals may be free or fused. Androecium is nothing but the male gamete. Stamens are lyo or numerous. They are free, adnate or attached to base of the corolla, that is the epipetalous. Gynoecium, female gamete of the family Mimoaceae is simple, one having one carpel. Ori shows the unilocular, means shows the single lobule structure, and it is superior. It has marginal placentation. The fruits, as we know that the fruits of these Mimoaceae are mostly leguminous because the family itself is Leguminosae. As we have started this family as a Leguminaceae. The legume may be dehiscent or indehiscent. So, what is dehiscence? Dehiscence means to break, or indehiscent. Sometimes it is indehiscence also. Now, let us discuss the economic importance of the Mimoaceae subfamily. Wood of this family provide commercially important for furniture. Acacia, Albizia and Xylea useful for commercial purpose. The wood is also used for construction or a fuel. The gum is obtained from Acacia nilotica and Acacia senegal. As we know that Katha is also obtained from Acacia cashew plant. Medicinal plants means Acacia nilotica act as a blood purifier, and also recently it is proved that it is the flowers of the Acacia nilotica is showing the property of hepatoprotective activity. It is also used as an ornamental plant in garden or along the side of roads, and few species of this species planted for breaking the wind pressure. Common species, that is Acacia nilotica, common name is babul, Albizia lebbak, timber, Mimosa pudica, that is touch me not plant. Now here I have shown the structure of androecium, gynoecium, transverse section of ovary, that is it is shown here, it is uniloculate. Then the twig of the mimosa means Acacia nilotica plant, and along with here also shown the floral diagram, and according to this floral diagram we have represented the floral formula, that is calyx, as we have discussed earlier. Calyx are 5, corolla also 5, androeciums are infinite, and gynoecium, that is oris superior or hypogynous. So thank you friends. Please share and subscribe my channel for getting the update related to your syllabus, then question paper patterns, and many more information regarding your syllabus. So thank you once again, Assistant Professor Deshmukh Madhuri. Thank you and have a great day. Bye bye.